मुरगांवात ड्रग्स आणि शिंदळकी व्यवसायाचेर आळाबंद हाडपाक पुलीस सज्ज जाल्ली आसात. आतां मेरेन जाले ते जाले, ह्यान मुखार असल्या कृत्यांचेर कडक कारवाय करून ख्यास्त दितले अशें डीवायएसपी सुनीता सावंत उलयल्या. भाड्याक दवरप्या बद्दल तांचे विशींची सगळी म्हायती घर मालकाक आसप गरजेचें म्हूण तिणें मुखार सांगलां.
In Vasco and Marmagua Taluka, Verna, everywhere, we have zero tolerance for drugs as well as for prostitution. No drugs, no prostitution. We have come down very heavily on drugs and prostitution. In Vasco alone, we have booked 7 cases, wherein in different cases we have attached different quantity of ganja, and it is total 320 grams. Wherein 7 persons have been arrested. Vis-a-vis at Verna police station, we have seized 1 kilo 880 grams of ganja and arrested one local youth. We have come down very heavily, and we are intensifying our efforts in detecting all these narcotics, and we will not spare anybody. At Verna police station, we have arrested one male and one female in prostitution cases, 2 cases, wherein we have rescued 4 girls, 3 from Maharashtra and 1 from West Bengal. We have intensified our patrolling as well as sources of information. We have also intensified our tenant verification and servant verification. I am satisfied that much of these things have proved to our efforts, and a lot of crimes of property offences have decreased. Even though it is happening, it is decreased, but we are on a track for all these persons who are doing all these nefarious activities. And people should feel free in coming and giving information about tenants and servants staying in their houses. We have the forms, tenant verification form, without a single pie. You can just come, xerox it and take it and furnish the information. It is good for the owners as well as for the people staying.